This is section 3.4 of Melham's Math 120 online at CSM. All right, so we're up to page 190, section 3.4. The homework is 1 to 41 odd. So here are some of the problems. And some more. And we had to go up to 41, and that's what you need there. Okay, so now for the answers in the back of the book. 3.4, and you should be able to see everything there. Okay. All right, so right now we're doing combinations of functions. So we're going to add, subtract, multiply, and divide functions. And something else called composition of functions, a little bit harder. I'll show you that when we get to it. Okay, so f of x is 4x minus 3, g of x is 2x plus 5. Number one asks f plus g. So you just simply add f of x plus g of x. So 4x minus 3 plus 2x plus 5, 6x plus 2, no big deal. Number three, g minus f, so it's that minus that in parentheses. So 2x plus 5 minus parentheses 4x minus 3. That's 2x plus 5 minus 4x minus a minus 3, so plus 3. So negative 2x plus 8. fg means f times g, f of x times g of x. So I just multiply them in parentheses. So 4x minus 3 times 2x plus 5. Okay. So I distribute. 4x times 2x is 8x squared. 4x times 5 is 20x. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. That's something called FOIL, F-O-I-L, which stands for first, outer, inner, last. We'll do a lot more FOIL later. But anyway, combine like terms, 8x squared plus 14x minus 15. Number 7 says g over f. Just divide them, 2x plus 5 over 4x minus 3. That's all there really is to it. Okay, then problems 9 through 26. F of x is 3x minus 5. G of x is x minus 2. H of x is 3x squared minus 11x plus 10. And they're going to be asking us to do different stuff to these three functions. So 17, fh means f times h. So 3x minus 5 times 3x squared minus 11x plus 10. So you have 6 multiplications. You take 3x times that, and that, which is what this is indicating. And then negative 5 times all of these also. So 3x times this is 9x cubed. 3x times this is negative 33x squared. 3x times this is 30x. Negative 5 times that, negative 15x squared. Negative 5 times that is 55x positive. Negative times a negative. Negative 5 times 10 is minus 50. Combine like terms, 9x cubed. That and that combined, negative 48x squared. That combined with that, 85x, and minus the 50. 21f divided by h, well, 3x minus 5 over 3x squared minus 11x plus 10. Okay, you can actually do more. We know that this came from 3x minus 5, x minus 2. That's something called factoring, which we'll be doing a lot more factoring later. But this is 3x minus 5 times x minus 2. These would cancel out. So the best final answer is 1 over x minus 2. But for now, I would accept this as an answer. F plus g plus h means you just add all three functions up. So here's f, here's g, here's h. Just add them up. So 3x squared minus 2x, that's 3x plus x minus 11x. Sorry, that should be a minus 7x, so minus 7x. And then plus 3 because it's negative 5 minus 2, which is negative 7 plus 10. Okay, you can see we do all kinds of stuff here. H plus fg, here's h, here's f times g. So first I do f times g, that comes out to be 3x squared minus 11x plus 10. We already did that a while back here. And then just add them up. Okay, so 3x squared plus 3x squared, 6x squared. Negative 11x, another negative 11x, negative 22x. 10 plus 10 is 20. Then for 27 to 38, they give us these functions. F of x is 2x plus 1. g of x is 4x plus 2. H of x is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Okay. They say f plus g of 2. So first figure out f plus g, 2x plus 1 plus 4x plus 2, 6x plus 3. So f plus g of 2 means plug in 2. 6 times 2, 12, plus 3 is 15. 31. H divided by g of 1. So h divided by g, here's h, here's g. Okay, then I plug in 1. So put a 1 here, here, and here. 4 times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 plus 1 over 4 times 1 plus 2, and just grind it out. 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 9 divided by 6, 3 over 2. 37, a little bit harder. H plus fg of 3. So h plus fg, here's h. F times g is that. So first I'll multiply that out. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't multiply it out because they just told us to plug in 3. So yeah, you can immediately plug in 3 here, 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 and here. So h plus fg of 3. 4 times 3 squared plus 4 times 3 plus 1 plus 2 times 3 plus 1, 4 times 3 plus 2. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 49 plus 98, 147. Okay, then we have something called composition of functions. F circle g of x almost looks like fog. We say f circle g of x, it means f of g of x. G circle f of x looks like golf a little bit. We say g circle f of x means g of f of x. Okay, so for 39, f of x equals x squared. G of x is x plus 4. They're asking for f circle g of 5. That means f of g of 5. So first I plug in 5 to the g function. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then I take that 9 and plug it into the f function. 9 squared is 81. Here you reverse it. G circle f of 5 means g of f of 5. So 5 goes in the f first. 5 squared is 25. And then take that 25 and plug it in for the g function. 25 plus 4 is 29. Notice you do not get the same answer, which means in general, f circle g does not have to be the same thing as g circle f. It might equal sometimes, but not all the time. Okay, what's just f circle g of x? That's f of g of x. Okay, so the next step, instead of writing g of x, I write what it's equal to, which is x plus 4. Okay, and now all of this stuff goes in here, which means I just square whatever's in parentheses. So x plus 4 squared. G circle f of x means g of f of x. So what is f of x? X squared. Okay. So now this thing gets applied right here. Pretend you erase that x, put in its place whatever is behind my pen, x squared. So the final answer is x squared plus 4. All right, so this is section 3.4.